What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on my channel. I know I haven't posted in like a couple months, but that's alright. Today I'm going to be reteaching you guys how to make an APK Method gorilla type copy, but I'm going to be showing you like the entire guide and stuff. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to want to go to this site, developer.playfab.com, and you're going to want to sign in with the Microsoft account. But if you don't already have one, just create it. Shoot. But you're going to want to scroll down. Well, you don't need to scroll down if you only have one studio, but you're going to want to click these three dots right here. Click new title, and then just create one. It's pretty simple. You just have to make a name and then click new title, I guess. And once you make your new title, just go ahead, you're going to want to click on it. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to add-ons. And then you want to scroll down till you see Photon. And then here, you're going to want to go to photonengine.com. Now, if this is your first time, you're just going to need to sign in and stuff. So, yeah. Well, if it's your first time, just sign up. Just click create one here. And then you're going to want to go to dashboard. Go to apps, development. And then you just want to create a new app. So name this whatever you want, but you're gonna want to make one real time like this and just name it. So I'm just gonna name it project test. Boom. And then you're gonna want to create another app, and this one you're gonna choose voice, and then name it something that you'll remember, just like that. Once you have it all set up, you're going to want to get your real-time ID. So it'll be right here, project test, boom. You're going to paste it right here. And then you're going to want to get your voice also. So it'll also be right here. Copy it by clicking Control-C. And then you want to click Control-V. And then click Install Photon. So what this does is it'll make sure your servers work and stuff. So yeah. Now, in order to authenticate your Photon to your PlayFab, this method only works for 2022 updates. So you want to go to custom server, and then you're going to want to, well, I'm just going to put the link in my Discord, which I'll leave it in the description, but I cannot spell. So you're gonna want this, and then right here you want to get rid of all these brackets and stuff, and then you'll find your PlayFab title ID pretty much in the link, so you'll find it right here. Just copy it, and then paste it, boom, and then copy that as a link, and then click save. I'm gonna leave this in my Discord. And then you're going to want to do the same thing for real time. Boom, just like that. So now your Photon is fully authenticated with your PlayFab. Now you're also going to want to create a webhook for this, and then you want to choose webhooks v1.0. HTTP headers, and then path leave is going to be room left, path join is going to be room joined, exactly like how I'm spelling it. Now path game properties is going to be path property raise one's gonna be, no, it's a room property. Oh my gosh. Room properties raised. Now this one's gonna be room event raised. Now you need to type it exactly how I'm spelling it with all the capital letters. So this one, path closed is gonna be room closed. Path created is gonna be room created. Now here you're gonna need a link, so let me just cut because I need to get the thing. Alright, so you're gonna want to come to my Discord and you're gonna want to copy this link right here. So, or you can just right click my message and click copy text. So then you come here and just go ahead and open a new tab, paste it, and then you want to get your title ID from here and paste it where it says your title ID. I just copied it again. I'm going to paste it here, and then you want to come here where it says Photon secret key, Control C, and then where it says it right here, you want to click Control V. So just like that, and now copy the entire link and paste it in your host URL. And then click save. You only need to do these steps on your real time. You don't need to do it on your voice. You just need to do it on your real time because this is how server-sided cosmetics work, so other people can see them. Alright, so now you can close out of this stuff. And you're going to want to come to my Discord yet again. And you want to do check for bad name. So you want to right click it, copy text, and then you want to go to cloud script, functions, register function. Now type in function name, check for bad name, and type it exactly how it's spelled with the capital letters, or else this will not work. Now you want to paste the URL here and click register function. And this will like fix name changing and private codes and stuff. So then you want to come to revisions legacy, and it'll be like this and stuff. So you want to come to my Discord and go to revisions for PlayFab, and then you'll see stuff like this. I personally would recommend using this one and stuff like that. So yeah, well actually I wouldn't use this one. Just use this one. So you can either download it or you can just copy it and paste it. But what I do is I usually just copy it. Alright, so now you want to click Control A and then Control V. So now this is an entire revision for your APK Method game. And you want to look for where it says function side-sided. New SS is only for versions above spring cleaning. So in this case we're going to be doing the Halloween 2022 update, so we are going to change this to false. And then you want to click deploy this revision after save, and then click save and deploy. So that, oh no, there's another thing you need to do. So you're going to want to go to settings, API features, and make sure all of these are unchecked, and then click save. Because what this will do is it will allow players to make like profiles, so that way you'll have IDs and stuff, so you can give cosmetics to people. Because this step is pretty much crucial. And then you also need DLC. So the place where I get my DLC is from Depressor's DLC and Title Data Hub, I guess. So then you can go here, or you can pretty much go anywhere. So we're gonna get the Halloween, not the Halloween, Christmas 2022 DLC. And you can choose rainy day because it's for every update, but it'll set your stuff at 1000. But for me, I'm using this one. Alright, once you do that, you're going to want to go to a go to Catalogs Legacy and upload JSON or whatever it's called. Choose file, of course, downloads, and then Christmas 2022, and then click upload file. And then go to currency legacy, new currency. It's going to be SR, and then shiny rocks, in all capital. Now initial deposit is like how much you start out with, like at the beginning of the game, so I'm just going to set it to 100,000. Now recharge rate is how much you get, like after every day, like in Gorilla Tag, you get 100 shiny rocks every day you log in. So you can change this to whatever number, like me, I'm gonna change it to 9,000, and then recharge maximum is going to be like the maximum amount of shiny rocks someone is allowed to have. So you can change this to like, that's like 10 million, so you can save currency, but I already have my currency, so yeah. Now that should be everything you need to do in the PlayFab. So I guess you need to keep this tab open because you need your PlayFab and Photon stuff. But now you're gonna want to head into my what's it called, my server, and you want to go to this. You're gonna want to download all of these tools. You're gonna want to download Notepad++, UABEA, and you can either download APK Toolkit or you can download APK Easy Tool. It doesn't matter, they're pretty much the same thing. And you're also going to want to download Metadata String Editor. Now, you're also going to need the fixed Android manifest, or else Meta will not accept like your APK and stuff. So yeah. I'm going to cut because I need to do a couple things real quick. Alright, so you're also going to want to download the VR API fix so that way Meta will accept your APK. So you're going to want to download that. Alright, and then, so you need to open your APK Toolkit or your APK Easy Tool. Me, I actually prefer APK Toolkit because I just find it easier to use and stuff. I just don't know if I have it extracted. Once you get to your APK Toolkit folder, you're going to want to open APK Toolkit.exe. I'm going to go ahead and try and pin it to my taskbar, I guess, once it opens. Wait a second. Alright, so I couldn't get APK Toolkit to work, I guess because I'm on a fresh installation of Windows 11, but yeah. So we're using APK Easy Tool. So you want to go to downloads and locate your APK file. Me, I'm doing Halloween 2022, so I'm just gonna, of course, and then you're gonna wait for it to decompose. So yeah, I'll cut to whenever it does. Alright, so once it decompiles, you're gonna want to go to like your directory where all your APK Toolkit stuff is. Or APK tool is decompiled, assets, bin, data. When you see this is when you want to open UABEA Apollonia, and then you're just going to want to drag it in like that. And then you're going to want to click memory. And then you click info, and it'll open like a second window where everything is right here. And then you're going to want to name Photon server settings, and then click edit data. Now keep in mind that the edit data thing only works for 2022 updates. Alright, so here's where you go to PlayFab, get your real-time app ID like that. Now go back to UABEA, and then highlight real-time, and then click Control V, and that will change it to your IDs. And then chat app ID, which is your voice. Highlight the voice, which will always be C5FDD, and paste it, and boom, click OK. And then PlayFab shared settings, click Edit Data, Chrome. Now here's where you put your PlayFab title ID like that. Highlight it, paste, Boom. Now you want to go to Oculus platform settings. Here's where you're going to need to make an app lab. So you're going to want to go to Horizon. Any name, I'm just gonna put project test, just like this. Boom. Now you see it, you can see it right here, and this is what you're gonna want to get. You're gonna want to get these 16 numbers. Now you highlight it in both of these and just paste them there. Now click OK, click File, and then Save. Click OK. Now you don't need to do this next part. If you want to do the next part, you can just skip further on into. If you don't want to do it, you can skip further on into the video. But here, this is to add things in Stump. Like I'm just gonna add a mirror. You go to level 0, View, Search by Name, Game, Object, Mirror, parenthesis 1, closing parenthesis, Edit, and then you see where it says bool m underscore is active, and it says false. You want to change it to true, and then you click OK, and then click File, Save. Now just wait for that to save. And never mind. I don't even need to cut the video. All right, boom. Now click File, Save here. Make sure you don't click Save As, or else it's just gonna make you create a whole new file. And boom. Once you're done with that, you're pretty much just done with the Photon and stuff. All right, now here you want to go to apktool.yml. Edit with Notepad++. Alright, boom. Now you want to change minimum SDK version from 23, change it to 29, and then change 29 on target SDK version to 32. And just like that, you're pretty much done. Now here's where you're going to want the fixed Android manifest. So you want to go to my Discord, go to Android Manifest, and you're going to want to copy this whole entire thing. Boom, just like that. Alright, and now you want to click Control A and then Control V. So, and then where it says com.another axiom, change this to your game studio or whatever you want to name it. You can put whatever as long as it hasn't been used before. So I'm going to change this to just like that, and click Control S. Now here's where you're gonna need the lib. So you go to download, and then you want to download the lib that's over here. So it's in VR API fix. You want to download that, and I'll show you what to do next. You need to find it first. Then go back to your directory or whatever, go to lib arm64 and then paste it here. And now once you've done that, you're pretty much just good to go. You can compile your APK now. So then you just want to click compile. Just wait for that to compile. One thing I did forget to mention is that you do need a key store, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put one in the Discord real quick, so I'll be right back. Alright, so you're gonna download the key store that's right here. Go to your APK Easy tool, and then options, signer, sign after APK to compile. I guess it doesn't need. Never mind, I guess it doesn't need its a key store or something. So yeah, I guess just keep it like that. Well, I'll see. But yeah, once it finishes, you can just go ahead and upload it to MetaQuest Developer. finish this. So yeah. Alright, so you wanna go, this is right here, and then you click upload again. Alright, now you wanna go to downloads, either your APK Toolkit or your APK Easy Tool folder. For APK Toolkit, it'll be in decompiled, but for APK Easy Tool, it'll also be in decompiled. APKs Halo 2022. No, it's not gonna be in decompiled. Sorry, it's gonna be in recompiled or compiled. It's different for each one. Just wait for that to upload. I'm gonna cut to the video. Alright, so yeah, you guys do need a different key store. So go to your APK Easy Tool, like I said, options, sign. Use key store for signing, and change, and then you use the public key store. The password is literally just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then make sure you click the check, and then control this. And just recompile it. So yeah, just wait for that. Alright, it just finished compiling, so yeah, now you're just gonna want to re-upload it, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah. Well, actually, I'm not really done with the video yet, so there's another thing you need to do in order to fully make servers work on AppLab, because you need to do data use checker. So yeah. Alright, it's just finished uploading, so yeah. Once it finishes uploading, you're gonna want to go back to like your browser, and I'll go ahead and full screen this. Actually, no, I'm not. Fuck. Alright, so you're gonna want to scroll down till you see your requirements, and then data use checker. I'm not gonna do verification right now, but you want to start this, mixed ages, confirm, okay, and then user ID, click add, and then you want to do use with Photon / PlayFab, and then you want to go to my server and copy this, and then paste it here, and click if approved, I agree. And then user age group, do this, usage, receive user age group for Meta, same thing, and then user profile, same thing, use with multiplayer, with Photon, PlayFab, if approved, blah blah blah. And yeah, you want to click submit request. No. Select an option, click no. None of the above. And then you want to do your country. I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna put United States. Next. Alright, here you're going to need to make a privacy policy. So you can just go to like your Google Drive. So privacy policy. And then change it to like privacy policy for project test, and then change the update date to July 11th for me. That's when I'm making this video. Or organization name is tag. Boom. And then project test. So this is all I have to do pretty much. Change everything to project test. Boom, and then it should be good just like this. You can keep this email here, it's fine, but they really don't send anything else, so yeah. Alright, you pretty much should be good to go. Click share, make sure this isn't restricted, make sure to send anyone with the link. Then copy the link, paste it here, and then once you check this, you should be good to go. Now this won't get accepted right away, it will take like a couple minutes or so, preferably like 30, but you do need to make sure your organization is verified in order for this to actually work. But to get your game on Private App Lab, you go to Release Channels, and the reason we uploaded it to RC is because if it's on any other channel, it's not going to let you upload this to a Private App Lab. Then you go to Settings, grant access to users by URL, and scroll down, click Save Changes. And then, now click copy invite URL, and then you can just go ahead and put this in any game server. Like for me, I'm gonna put this in mine. Here, and then mention everybody, and then that's the private app lab. Alright, so that is the full entire tutorial on how to do APK method. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, you know. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say for this video. So yeah, bye guys.